Welcome to ZPro Studio.
Is cybersecurity still a good career in 2026? The short answer is yes, and for many people, it's one of the best technology careers you can choose today. Companies are facing more cyber attacks than ever, skilled professionals are still in high demand, and salaries continue to grow. But cybersecurity isn't the right career for everyone. In this video, you'll learn the job opportunities, salary expectations, required skills, and whether cybersecurity is the right career for you. Let's get started. Why cybersecurity is growing. Every business today depends on technology. Banks, hospitals, schools, government agencies, and online stores all need professionals who can protect their systems from hackers and data breaches. As cyber threats become more advanced, organizations are investing heavily in cybersecurity teams. That's why cybersecurity remains one of the fastest growing careers in the technology industry. If you're looking for a career with long-term demand, cybersecurity is definitely worth considering. What does a cybersecurity professional do? Cybersecurity professionals protect computers, networks, applications, and sensitive data from cybercriminals. Depending on your role, you may monitor networks for suspicious activity, investigate security incidents, perform ethical hacking, protect cloud systems, secure company data, respond to ransomware attacks, help employees avoid phishing scams. There are many career paths, so you don't have to become a hacker to work in cybersecurity. Skills you need. You don't need to be a programming expert to start. Most beginners begin by learning computer networking, Windows and Linux operating systems, basic cybersecurity concepts, cloud computing fundamentals, problem-solving skills. Communication is equally important because cybersecurity professionals regularly explain technical issues to non-technical teams. How to start your career? If you're starting from scratch, follow these simple steps. First, learn the basics of networking and operating systems. Next, earn an entry-level certification like CompTIA Security or complete the Google Cybersecurity Certificate. After that, build practical experience. Platforms like TryHackMe, Hack the Box, and Virtual Home Labs allow you to practice real cybersecurity skills. Create a GitHub portfolio or document your projects. Many employers value practical experience just as much as certifications. Finally, apply for entry-level positions such as SOC Analyst, Security Analyst, IT Support with Security, Junior Incident Responder. These roles provide valuable real-world experience and open the door to higher-paying positions. Salary and career growth. One of the biggest reasons people choose cybersecurity is the earning potential. Entry-level professionals often earn around $65,000 to $80,000 per year. With experience and certifications, salaries can exceed $100,000. Senior professionals like security engineers, cloud security architects, and chief information security officers can earn well over $150,000 to $200,000, depending on location and organization. Beyond salary, cybersecurity also offers excellent job security because skilled professionals continue to be in short supply. Is cybersecurity right for you? Cybersecurity is an excellent career if you enjoy solving problems, like continuous learning, stay curious about technology, can remain calm under pressure, want long-term career growth. However, if you dislike learning new technologies or prefer highly repetitive work, cybersecurity may not be the best fit because the field changes constantly. Common mistakes beginners make. Many beginners focus only on certifications. Certificates help, but employers also want practical experience. Another mistake is trying to learn every cybersecurity topic at once. Instead, choose one career path, build your skills gradually, and practice consistently. Conclusion. So, is cybersecurity a good career in 2026? Absolutely. It offers strong job demand, competitive salaries, excellent career growth, and opportunities across almost every industry. Start by learning the fundamentals, earn an entry-level certification, build hands-on experience, and keep improving your skills. If you stay consistent, cybersecurity can become one of the most rewarding careers in technology.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to ZPro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.